You are welcome to the moment of truth, fact, and lies. This lithium battery factory that was commissioned in Nasarawa is a very good one by Mr. President. When you see what is good, you will say it. It's a very good one, a powerful one. Over $250 million. It is not an initiative, it is already done. It was commissioned. And that is now they actually acclaimed to be one of the biggest in Africa and the biggest in the whole of West Africa. President Tinubu, you have done well in this thing. When they say, show us what Tinubu have done, show us what Tinubu have done, it has affected the economy. There are policies that he has taken. It's probably the implementation that are not the best. Or his attitude towards it. But this one is a laudable achievement. Lithium battery factory in Nigeria. That's a good one, sir. That's a good one, sir. That's a wonderful one. That's a powerful one. We will not go and be importing lithium battery from China. We will not go and be importing lithium battery from Asia, from America, for Europe. Sir, just the way you have done lithium battery, we want you to put this energy, this zeal, this power into power too. Do light for Nigerians. Let it be that when you are leaving, even if people say, they don't like you, even if they say yes, you they collect, now, you they collect. Even if they say you are collecting. This lithium battery that you have done is a powerful one. Lithium battery factory in Nasarawa. Go to Nasarawa and check if it is true. They spent over $250 million. It was commissioned by the Vice President. Say, Mr. President. It's a lovely one. You have done this. You have done well in this one. You have done well. You have a long way to go. You need to do many things. You have to finish the coastal line. You have to generate the power, manufacture the power that you said, build power. You have to make sure that Nigerians are anywhere. You have to make sure that the educational process is going well. There are so many reforms. You have to make sure that all our natural resources have become state-owned, just the way the crude oil is. Cannot be selling crude oil in the south and the natural resources in the north is for the state, but not in the south, it's for the nation. No, now. Me, I know that some people are fighting you because of that. But it's just because of so many things we are seeing in your government. Like that one that they are giving money to a parastatal in a ministry, that the ministry is not existing and they are collecting. But those are some of the things that make us angry now. That get us angry. But this one is a laudable work. Thank you very much, Mr. President. These are the kind of things we want to be hearing and seeing in Nigeria. A better Nigeria is possible.